Pioneering has always been part of our DNA since we had started in 1998. We are so proud about our partnership and the possibility to show other companies in Brazil about this technology. We are studying the market and we find with Uteco the solution to bring this to our customers.
The main points of the machine is a easy to operate machine. It has a fast changeover, and also it's a compact machine but also a robust one, so it makes a perfect option.